Hey people, what's going on? I said I was going to do more airsoft videos, so here we are. I got the Novritsch SSE18 here. I haven't opened it yet, I haven't even touched the fucking wrap in here. Yeah, there it is. Let's see, well, we got the gun, of course. We got the 100 round mag. I didn't get a holster or anything, it's so expensive. We got this. It's like a little note thing for me. I'm gonna open it. So Christmas Day, oh shit. Patches. Sniper patch, Novritsch patch, stickers, ton of fucking stickers. Mark your speed loaders and stuff. More stickers. And a note. Blah blah blah, thank you for your order. Yeah, just thank you. Cool, that's pretty cool. That's nice. I'll be putting that stuff on my desk. So before we get into the actual gun here, I'm gonna look at this thing. Of course, this is an AEP, so it feels nice. I think it's plastic or like poly something. 100 round mag. Obviously, it's not gas blowback, so it's got like this weird thing here. I mean, it's cool. It's definitely cool. So let's go over to this. We get a start guide. Tell you don't shoot yourself in the face. And then it directs you to like their website. Whatever that is. The gun, charger, LiPo charger, small LiPo battery, speed loader, and then the gun. And then mag. It's surprisingly like heavy. It's kind of heavy. It's got weight to it. It isn't as plastic feeling as I thought it would be. I mean, that's not bad at all, man. And then you, of course, you got like the sight down there. Man, okay, that looks good. Picatinny rail, orange tip because I'm in the US, so it doesn't have the black tip. That's sick, man. Nice. All right, I'm gonna charge the battery and go to a little shooting test. All right, so we're out here in me yard. We got it all charged up, fully charged. We're good. Okay, so we're gonna pull this bad boy out. It's on single fire, and I believe we just put this up there, and then we're ready to go. So here we go. Very straight. I mean, very straight. Very accurate. I heard this does like 15 rounds per second. I could be totally wrong. I'll look it up and put it in, but let's keep shooting. It's like misfiring sometimes. See, there we go. Misfired. That's weird. Maybe not pressing the trigger all the way? Oh, take him out. I'm not out. That's so weird. You kidding me? Is it clicked? What? Am I out? Okay, there we go. Now I'm out. Okay, let's try this. It's got some drop, but this is going to be used for CQB, so let's try full auto on the 100 round mag. Yeah, it's like going to the left. I need to adjust the hop up, but it's not that bad. Shoot full auto again. God damn. Okay. it's pretty accurate. I mean, like, let's go back a little farther. I'm using 0.2 BBs, and it's like curving to the left and making a big swoop. So yeah, pretty good gun. For the price, I mean, it's great. I'm gonna adjust the hop up and then I will be back. Alright, the hop up is adjusted. It shoots kind of straight now. So it has a little upwards pull, but like I said, for CQB, it's not bad at all. So I think that'll conclude the SSE18 review-ish. I'm loving it so far. I'll probably put gameplay footage after this clip, but yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. So, the SSE18, my final thoughts. It's a good gun for the price. At 220 FPS or so, not gonna really use it as your primary for like outdoors gameplay, but for CQB and the gameplay you just watched, it is absolutely insane, especially for the price. Very accurate. You can see I just need one shot. It always goes right where you're aiming if you dial the hop up right. I never needed to change my mag. The 100 round mag was more than enough. I always had like 30 or so shots left. Granted, there wasn't many people, but I can see that anyone like carrying this in the winter outdoors, where you don't want to get all your gas blowbacks, you know, having malfunctions and problems in the cold. This is the gun for you. I mean, like 16 rounds per second, very reliable, good battery life. I played for about 3.5 hours, didn't need to charge it at all. It worked perfectly. Yeah, I could highly recommend this gun. But yeah, that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope to do more content like this in the future, as I really do like making stuff like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.